is happening, everyone? It's Disney Pixar Cars fan here back again with another video. So today I'll be reviewing Noriyuki from Disney Pixar's Cars on the Road release, as you can see right there, 2022. So as you may see, I have reviewed this. I have actually showed this on my most recent birthday haul, which if you haven't seen that video yet, you better watch it right before watching this video. So without any more rambling, let's get on with this actual review. So I've been dying to get this guy as a single ever since he was released in that specific 2-pack along with Sarah Cogs, or also known as Goggles, the Piddy, when was released as a color changer with that little spray barrel thing along with Cruz Ramirez. Rusty's Racing Center, or Rusty's Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. Yeah, whatever. So as you can see, yes, a very nice looking picture on this card. Obviously, as seen on Cars on the Road. New for 2022 with the little TV. Excuse me, with the very old classic TV with the little antennas on. There you go, his name, Noriyuki. Here's the diecast himself. I've been also dying to get this guy, by the way. And then it also shows the Cars on the Road map on the back of the blister, I must say. Or they don't actually starting 2022, they don't actually put those blister cards on the cards nowadays on the Pixar cars. So kinda sort of like the Hot Wheels. Enough about that. Again, here's the map for Cars on the Road. Sister Metal, the white circle. Then at the back, obviously as seen in Disney Pixar's Cars on the Road. As I said earlier, this Piddy, which is also known as Goggles or Sarah Cogs, which they renamed her. As seen with Rusty's Dinoco Cruz Ramirez, or Rusty's Racing Center Cruz Ramirez, as they called her back then, as she was first released, I guess, 2022. And then On the Road McQueen, that's Jamin, which I have right here. There we go. Noriyuki himself, Greebles, the Gremlin Clown Car, and which I'm yet to get as a diecast, which I have by the moment as a color changer, which is Revo Cause. So that's it for the packaging. Let's get this. So let's bust this guy open. Can't wait for the review actually, by the way, on that McQueen, which is the Cryptid Buster variant. Just tear package on out of there. Clear this out, and finally here he is out of his package with all of his glory. Fix the camera. Whoa. There we go. Let's get on with this detailing on where he appeared actually on the episode 3 Salt Fever episode. He actually basically appeared alongside with Sarah Cogs, which is mainly his sidekick or some sort, or when like, they put like the those some sort of rocket boosters on Mater to make him look like streamlined looking to go like the actual speed that's like those land speeders, like those like salt flats racers, such as like that's jamming over here. So enough of that. So admire admire the beautiful let's just admire first the beauty of this wonderful diecast. Same color by the way as Sarah over here, which Sarah is, to be honest, a lot darker turquoise type of color, but also with the sandy type of wheels, and then also the paint teals. The color teal or turquoise type of color is a lot brighter on Noriyuki here. Very nice looking smiling expression. Grill, headlights. I don't know how can I even describe that expression. A clear lime green cap that is wearing one headlamp, which is quite swiveling. I don't want to break it or anything. Then on the side, zoom in right over here, has like some sort of those like wrenches, which they're actually like the ones who repair those salt flats racers, getting them like all ready or geared up in order for them to test their speed out on the I don't know how to describe it, like some sort of desert, which salt flats, yeah. Nearly got out of term out of nearly got out of term back there. Then has like some random junk on his back bed, truck bed. To be honest with you, I have no other pickup trucks to like compare him to, because he's a different sort of model type of truck or lorry. I must say. I mean, it's quite a bit of a squashed down type of model. Pretty small truck, I must say. Also, these are also not removable. Same thing on the other side. Salty or white sandy looking tires. Same as with Sarah Cogs. Also with that over here, the sandy base, and Royce Revsley. No wonder they haven't did that sort of effect on Gersten over here. There's the base if you're interested. Never, if you want to pause in like some sort of information. So that's, I guess that's pretty much it for the actual review on Noriyuki, I guess. So again, here's another like here's Mater, by the way, where these actually appeared while these two actually drove along the salt, as seen like as they have seen like Peggy Liner pass by them, and then alongside with Barney Cones when pushing, I guess now speed cone, and then he said like, watch out for the speed demon, and then Mater was like suddenly inspired and then went to the like some sort of shop where he got those like those type of gear for him to be, in order to him to look like a salt flats racer of some sort. So I'm actually using actually the Mater and McQueen variants that I have right here are the 2023 variants, as you can see right there. Not just an ordinary Thailand Mater and 2022 variant of On the Road McQueen. So yeah, that's pretty much it I can say for the review, I guess, on Noriyuki here. So I guess see you soon. I guess for another video. Okay, there we go. Me adjust the camera a bit there. So yeah. Then so I guess I'll be signing off now. So bye. So this is the Pixar Cars. I mean, this is the Pixar Cars fan saying peace.